morning to you all. I am Mohammad Nadeem. I am studying in 9th standard. I am from GHS Nada.
My name is Atish Gowda. I am studying in 9th standard. I am from GHS Nada.
Today's we came with smart door lock system. Today's world, security is being very slowly because we made smart door lock system for immediately opening door and speed lock.
So we are using Arduino Uno, connection for breadboard, LED, buzzer, lock, door lock and servo motor, RFID receiver and RFID.
Thank you.
Thank you.